Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Shopify, how to create a store on Shopify for printable stickers and labels business, easy and quick. So first type Shopify on the search. So as we know, Shopify is a tool for making online stores. It helps people sell things on the internet by creating a website where they can display and sell their products. So first of all, enter here your email address and start free trial. Now you can just skip all this if you want. I'm gonna skip this and let's continue. Choose an account. Now wait a few seconds for building this store. So the first thing you have to do now, you go to the online store and you go to the themes where you can change the themes if you want. So here I'm gonna keep this the down theme. So you can select any theme you want. Just click add and wait to install it to install in the theme to customize it on your home page. So once the theme is installed, you can customize it on your home page. Just click customize and it will take you to your home page store. So here you can change the style of your home page. You can make it like a desktop or like a mobile style or like a full screen style. So for me, I'm gonna just keep it like this, like a desktop style. Here this is the settings where you can design your store if you want. So here the first we have the header, the announcement bar. You can change the color scheme. You can show separate line. You can also show icons on desktop. You can turn this on, auto rotate announcements. Here you can enable country and region selector. You can enable a language selector. So that's it. Now let's get back. Let's move on to the announcement section. Here you can change the text if you want. You can paste a link or search for collections or products. For example, I'm gonna select the all collections. Now let's move on to the header section. Here you can change the desktop logo position. Here you can change the main menu or remove it if you want. Also you can change the desktop menu type. You can change the sticky header, and also you can show separate line. You can change the color scheme and the menu color scheme. You can enable country and region selector, and you can also enable language selector. You can edit the mobile logo position. Here you can edit the spacing and the section padding, the top and the bottom, and here you can edit the same settings. You can put here your social media links, your Twitter link, or your Facebook, or Pinterest, or Instagram, or whatever you want to add here. So let's move on now to the logo section here. So here you have to select your logo from your own library. So for example, let's search on it on the browser. Just for example, printable stickers and labels logo ideas like this. So for example I'm gonna choose this. You can choose whatever you want from your own library. So just search for example. So this is your logo right now. You can change it at any time. You can edit it if you want to remove it. Here you can change the desktop logo width. So let's move on now to the next section, the image banner. So here we have the first image and the second image. So for example, let's select the first image from the browser, and also you can select it from your own library. So for example, I'm gonna choose this. You can change it at any time you want, of course. Also you can here add the second image. You can edit the image overlay opacity. You can change the banner height. You can change the desktop content position. Here you can show container on desktop. You can change the desktop content alignment. The animations you can manage it here. You can edit the image behavior. Also you can turn this on, stack image on mobile and show container on mobile. So that's it. Now let's get back. Now let's move on the heading. Here you can generate the text, just describe what this text is about. Printable stickers and labels. That's it. So for example, I'm gonna choose this. You can change the heading size from here. Now let's get back and let's move on to the buttons. Here you can change the first button label. If you want to keep it like this, you can change the first button link. And here, if you already added the second image, you can add the second button label and the second button link. So that's it. Now let's get back and let's move on to the featured collection section. You can generate the text, the heading, just describe what this text is about. Printable stickers and labels. Here I'm gonna choose the medium. Here you can generate the text on the description, just describe what this text is about, and you can show a collection description from the admin. You can change the description style. Also you can change the collection. You can make products full width. You can enable view all if collection has more products than shown. You can enable carousel on desktop. You can manage the product card. You can show vendor, show product region, and you can also enable quick add button. So after you're done from this, if you want to add something new on your home page, just click here and select what kind of sections you want to add on your home page. For example, rich text or image with the text or another image banner or slideshow. So that's it. Now let's move on to the last section of the website, the footer section. Here you can change the color scheme. You can also edit the email sign up. If you want to show email sign up, you can change the heading. So that's it. Now after you're done from designing your website, now all you have to do is save this. And now let's get back to the home page where you can name your store. After you add your first product, after you customize your online store, now you can name your store. Type any name you want. You can add your store phone, and here you can change the store email. So that's it. Now let's save this. After this, all you have to do now, and after this, all you have to do is set up your payment provider and set your shipping rates. And now all you have to do after this is launch your online store and publish it. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.